Bird photography is an art that often pushes photographers to their limits, especially in low light. In this video, we'll explore how to make the most of high ISO settings to capture stunning bird photos. Let's dive into three key topics: understanding your camera sensor, navigating challenging photographing situations, and properly exposing your shots. But before we dive in, we're excited to announce a special $500 giveaway to support your photography journey. Stay tuned till the end of the video to learn how to enter. First, let's talk about your camera sensor. The sensor is the heart of your camera, capturing light to create your images. A larger sensor, like those in full-frame cameras, typically handles high ISOs better than smaller ones, like APS-C or Micro Four Thirds sensors. This means less noise and more detail in your shots. When shooting at high ISOs, the sensor amplifies the light it receives. However, this can introduce grain or digital noise. To minimize this, it's essential to use the lowest ISO possible that still allows you to properly expose your shot in low-light conditions. Bird photography often happens in less than ideal lighting: dawn, dusk, or shaded forests. These situations demand higher ISO to maintain fast shutter speeds. Why? Birds move quickly, and a fast shutter freezes that motion, preventing blur. For example, if you're photographing a woodpecker in a dense forest, you might need to raise your ISO to 1600, 3200, or even higher to achieve a shutter speed of 1/1000th of a second. Modern cameras are designed to perform well even at these higher ISO settings, so don't be afraid to push your gear a little. Exposing your shot correctly is crucial, especially when working with high ISO. Remember, it's better to slightly overexpose than underexpose. Why? When you brighten an underexposed image during editing, noise becomes more pronounced. Use your camera's histogram to check exposure in real time. Aim for a balanced histogram, where highlights and shadows are preserved. If needed, adjust your settings. Open up your aperture, increase ISO, or slow your shutter just enough to maintain sharpness. Each adjustment helps you get the cleanest possible shot. Mastering high ISO bird photography is about balancing your camera's capabilities with the challenges of the environment. Understand your sensor, adapt to your situation, and expose correctly for breathtaking results. Now, about that giveaway. To enter for a chance to win $500, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Comment below with your favorite bird photography tip or experience. The winner will be selected from the first 1,000 subscribers, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching and good luck. Grab your camera and go capture the beauty of the avian world.